Hey everyone, so I have this unit that I got from Julia Hair. They sent me this honey blonde highlighted curly unit, and I'm basically making sure that the lace is pretty much matching my scalp color. I wanted to do a half up, half down do for this look today, so I'm kind of prepping it to see how it's going to look, and I'm also kind of cutting the baby hairs before I go ahead and get started. I think at this point I already installed the wig by using my Got To Be Glued, and now I'm just kind of laying everything down. I'm using regular scissors, I'm sorry, but it just worked out. So with this, I didn't really have to do too much baby hairs in the front, like on my forehead area. So I just kind of put it in the middle, and then that's pretty much what I had to do. I left the two highlighted blonde pieces out in the front and then put the rest up. This is a lace front unit, but you won't be able to see anything because it's a lot of hair going on. So yeah, I think it's like 180% density, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, it was pretty easy to style this hair. So yeah. Alright guys, it's the next day. I'm still kind of congested from the other day. I'm wearing this wig from Julia Hair. They sent me this unit and I just wanted to style it this way this time. I've ordered like the same wig like 3 different times without realizing it, and it's because I thought one of them was gonna be straight, but they're all curly. So I'm gonna do like different styles with all of these different units. Different styles with all these different units that I have because I did not mean to get the same one. But I thought it'd be super cute to do like a half up, half down do with this wig, and honestly, I think it looks really, really good. It's really hot for summertime, but I love it. So Julia Hair sent me wig cap, they sent me lashes, they also sent me like kind of the same stuff I had in my last video. I have lashes, really thick ones. I've got earrings, I've got handy brush for my baby hairs. Like I always need extras with these, so I'm gonna keep this just in case I lose another one. They also sent me a wig cap, and that's it. So yeah, gonna get into the specs of this unit and the pricing of this hair. Yeah, so this is a 13x4 curly honey blonde ombre color unit. This 150% density. Yeah, it's 150% for the density and 24 inches that they sent me. So it's actually very long, but it's also curled. But if you like straightened it, it would literally be down to here. The price of this, let me just enter in the information before oh my God, like it's extremely hot right now. It's gonna be $316.60 for the 24-inch unit. This is a lot of hair you're getting, so especially like when it's brushed out, you're getting a lot. But I just love how just flattering this honey blonde color looks on me. I've been getting honey blonde units recently. I used to get 613 and then do an ash blonde on myself, which honestly still looks good. The honey blonde, I think it just brightens up everything a lot more for me. Like the contrast with my skin looks really good, especially with the darker brown with my skin tone. It looks amazing. Like I love dark brown mixed with honey blonde colors. I just think it looks good on darker skin. It's really big hair, and I like big hair on me. I like this hair better, obviously, with an updo rather than it just being completely down, especially if it's a middle part. Like I've been trying to mix that up recently. So yeah, I like how this is looking. It's very, very soft. As you can see, I'm running my fingers through the unit, so I'm not having any issues with like a lot of shedding or it tangling up really easily or anything like that. There's some pretty light highlights going on. So yes, it's a honey blonde, but I feel like it's still kind of going a little bit brighter at the top portion of it, which I kind of like too. And I think it's just a really good summer unit. I barely had to do anything with this. I just literally put it in an updo. And even though it's a lace front wig, you can still put it up because there's so much hair going on. You're not gonna see any tracks or anything like that. So just know that. You guys saw at the beginning of the video and how I was styling this and everything, and I just left it in the ponytail and then put it on today. So yeah. Yeah, it just looks good if you put everything behind here, or if you put everything kind of towards the front. So yeah, I like how this is looking. This is a close-up of everything. It just looks really good. I like this. I think this is really cute. And I don't know, it just reminds me of something that I can just throw on in the summertime and just be really cute with, especially if you're going to the beach or something. I think that would look really nice. I also sewed an elastic band in the back, and this is in a cap size small. I did not bleach the knots to this unit, but I'm gonna actually do that today because I will be, I think, giving this one away or selling it. So I will be selling this one, so I'm gonna bleach the knots today and do a bit of plucking before I ship it off tomorrow. I like to customize the units, you guys, that I end up getting just because I think it looks better and it has kind of like my signature twist to it, which looks good. But I don't think I have anything else to say about this unit. I think it looks really good. It's kind of hot, so I'm sweating my makeup off right now as we're speaking. The blonde looks great. It's popular right now, and so I think it looks really good. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say about this. I hope that you guys liked the video. I'm gonna put the link to this wig from Julia Hair down below, and I hope that you guys end up following them and you like their units. And you check out this unit for yourself. That's it for this video, and I hope that you guys have an awesome day. Bye.